Hi, my name is Tanvi. I'm the business catalyst at Filteyu and happy Women's Day.
Hello guys, I'm Manthan, creative director at Filteyu. I'm wishing you happy Women's Day.
Hi, I'm Gauri Shankar, co-catalyst at Filteyu, and happy Women's Day.
Hi guys, I'm Dia and I'm the culture catalyst at Filteyu. Happy Women's Day! Hi everyone, I'm Anjali. I'm the marketing catalyst at Filteyu. Happy Women's Day!
Hi, I'm Shreya. I'm the experience catalyst in our company called Filteyu. Happy Women's Day!
Hi guys, I'm Vaisiri, co-founder of Filteyu. Happy Women's Day!
I am Abdul Khalid, founder at Filteyu. Happy Women's Day.
Cause
No.
I think no, I need my men. My friends, my dad, everybody, I need them.
Yeah, with the woman I like.
yeah, definitely.
Definitely. I mean, there will be no gender confirms. There will be all the girls' night, girls' Valentine. Every day is a girls' day. That will be really fun.
Yeah, definitely.
I spend some time with my mom, so yeah.
It's only my mom.
Cleopatra?
I think it would be my grandma. She's no more here.
I think my mom.
I think it's Frida Kahlo because I love her art. I want to talk to her about her art style, her way of her personality, how she thought about her art process. It would be a very good and a healing experience for me.
I spend some time with my mom, so yeah.
It's only my mom.
Cleopatra? Brave. Unstoppable.
Independent.
Fierce, independent, a little bit of confusion as well.
I think self-sufficient.
Fearless.
Bold. Pause day, slay day.
I think bravery day or strong strength day. Something like that.
Goddess Day.
Girls' Day.
The Freedom Day.
Celebrate Equality Day.
Pause day, slay day. Maybe sovereign day.
Equality for everything.
Maybe on Wednesday we wear pink.
Free period products.
Equality.
Go out of the house after 10 p.m. It's only a girl's world after 10 p.m. That was the first rule.
I guess just equality everywhere.
I think slaughter. Right there, down there.
Torture till death for rapists.
I mean, in metro station they would spread their legs and I'll be like, bro, please, sir, cruise your legs.
I think it's with my dad. I do all the housework and everything, and every time I'm going to do something, he directs me to do it, whereas he doesn't do. He'll be sitting there on the chair and directing me. So I'm like, Dad, like a ring.
Tech stuff, like if my phone stops working or if my laptop stops working, it's always my dad or my uncle that so like, no, you don't know it, let me handle it.
It's always with my brother, unfortunately. I'm better at mobiles and tech than him, but whenever there's a problem with my mom or dad's mobile, he's the one he'll try to explain me everything like I don't know shit about it. So that is the ridiculous mansplaining moment that I have all the time, by the way.
I mean, in metro station they would spread their legs and I'll be like, bro, please, sir, cruise your legs.
I think it's with my dad. I do all the housework and everything.
I think most of them have been in the kitchen with my dad, where he explains me to make a dish that I've made several times and he hasn't even once. I think most of them have been in the kitchen. You can be anything you want. Bold, quiet, whatever you want. There's no one way of being.
It's okay to be whatever you want to be. You don't have to get along with all the societal expectations that are put on you since you're born.
Just take that chance. Be fearless. Go for it.
That you don't have to be fair-skinned.
You can do anything you want and nothing's stopping you. I guess men, women, or anybody else. God made us all as equals, so you got 2 hands, 2 legs. You can go at it.
The arm and the strength. The arm and
Cramps.
Do it.
Rose, right? Because it has petals and thorns and everything else, and the adaptability to survive. So yeah.
Either of them.
Cramps.
Do it.
Oh, woman, yeah, I guess.
Piku movie में there's a theme song Sarod's theme करके. So I think that movie.
The Climb by Miley Cyrus.
Colors on fire.
एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां in the movie Hindi medium.
Came in like a wrecking ball by Miley Cyrus.
Go back and fight for women's rights. Maybe it would be a different future. I would have had a better future.
Go back for sure.
I would genuinely want to see what progress we have made and jump to the future.
I think I would jump ahead and see what progress we've made. I think there's
with a lot of powerful women who already fought for our rights. So I think I want to go into the future and see.
I'll definitely jump to see what we have done. Going back, it's just waste of time.
Probably jump ahead because living in the past doesn't make sense. Always move forward.
Jump ahead to see what progress we do.
Go back and fight for women's rights. Maybe it would be a different future. I would have had a better future.
Golgappa.
Pad Thai, I love Pad Thai.
A warm bowl of ramen.
It's a peach melpa.
I think butter chicken because everyone loves it.
This is good.
Sorry.
Look. This is good.
Sorry.
Keeping up with the Kardashians.
Sleeping competition.
What the tangi?
A day in my life.
Queen of everything.
Keeping up with the Kardashians.
Figuring it out.
My mom, my English teacher, and my art teacher.
I think my mom and both of my grandmothers.
My mother, obviously Siri, and I think my aunt as well. Like my sister too.
Mother, best friend.
Thank you, Annie.
Mel Robbins. My class teacher, my third grade class teacher, Tanuja ma'am.
My grandmom, starting from her, my mother, and Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah, first is my mom. So second one is Simon, my best friend. Third one is an author called Kavipriya. I met her only twice, but her work she has changed me as a person.
And I think Anne Frank, Malala Yousafzai, and my mom.
My mom, my English teacher, and my art teacher.
I think my mom and both of my grandmothers.
My mother, obviously Siri,